2012 Ford Focus, and I'm going to replace a filter. 4 screws. There's one over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. It's kind of deep down in there. You take this off, and there's a filter underneath. And we have a 5/16. There's 4 screws we have to remove. There's one here, there's one here, there's one here, and there's also one down there. That was the tricky one. Alright, so it's got a little elbow on this extension. I got it. And the rest come out by hand. Actually, hopefully we can collaborate soon and do short films. We all use our iPhones these days, so maybe you can edit the intro and I'll do the middle, and you can do the end, or I'll do the end. That bad. It doesn't want to snap in. It's like it's not the right size. So I had to customize because this rubber was holding it back. So let's see if that works. Nub underneath, pointing down. There it goes. Yeah, I had to customize basically that rubber in there. It's holding it back. But now it's in there because look, you can see it's in the groove. There's a little groove there. Anyway, it's in there now. Finally, put the cover on. But this new one, it's giving me hell. There. It's in. Huzzah! Alright. Alright. That one over here is the tough one. So I got it started. See. Anyway, back to the elbow. DIY. And you tighten these as long as it's snug. You're good. There's the old one. It doesn't look bad. I mean, I'm about to put it back in. It's just barely safe.